dressed and it is time to get out the door, but I'm gonna do the top 3 really quickly. Let's see here. What do I have to do? I have a meeting at 10:30 a.m. which I'm headed to now. I have my master class tonight at 8:30. These are like meetings. The things I really have to do, like actually do, are finish editing tomorrow's video. And I need to record a YouTube video today since I'm already made up. All right, so that's what the top 3 is looking like. We are headed to number 1 right now. Okay, this is what oh shoot, these braids are so long. Okay, this is what I'm looking like. Just have this little white shirt on with these pants, my favorite slides, and I'm ready to go. Okay, we're literally running late, so we gotta get out of here. Okay, you guys, I just got to this meeting. This is not a prospective client meeting. This is actually a meeting for a series that my old job, when I was the spokesperson at Michigan First Credit Union, they're doing an entrepreneur series. So they asked if they could feature me. So, of course, I said yes. So I'm meeting with them because I think we're going to do more of a collaboration on this video. So we're gonna meet about that and just hash out some details and plan for the shoot. So that's pretty much what this is. It shouldn't be more than 45 minutes.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so.
Wave, Steve. Wait, they can't see you. Oh, here we go. Yay. All right, see ya. Okie doke, that meeting is over and it went so well. So we're going to have the shoot in September, and I'll let you guys know. I'll probably do a day in the life that day that we do the shoot. But I'm gonna head home. I have a quick call with my friend Blake, who wants to talk to me about some ideas that he has. So I'm gonna do that on my way home, so that when I get home I can start working.
Good morning.
Hi, Blake.
How are you?
Good, how are you? All right, I'm home and I'm about to change my clothes because I'm hot, like literally hot. I have a chicken salad sandwich for lunch and some water. Say hi, Mom. Hi. Okay, y'all, I am starting working. I'm editing a video, but I think I'm gonna actually stop and do my, open this blind a little because it's kind of dark in here. I think I'm gonna stop and actually, there we go. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop and record my YouTube video really quickly while I'm, you know, still looking okay, and then I'll finish up editing because I really do want to get a video recorded so that I can take this makeup off and well, I'll actually probably leave my makeup on for the master class. So anywho, I'm going to record my YouTube video first. I'm gonna do it about something around finances. I haven't exactly nailed down exactly what I'm gonna put in it, so I'm actually going to make a quick outline right now. Okay, just finished recording my YouTube video. You guys will see what it is when it comes out. It's all about managing your money as an entrepreneur, the good stuff. Okay, how do you pay yourself, startup costs, how do you save, that kind of stuff. It will be before this vlog, so I will link that video in the description. Anyways, that's done, so I'm glad I got that out the way. I do need to do a thumbnail real quick though. Need to do that, but I'll do that soon. I'm gonna finish editing. I'm cranking stuff out today. Your girl is on the roll, okay? So I'm gonna finish editing, and then I'm going to do some other stuff on my to-do list that's not on the top 3. Hopefully I get this video done, scheduled, out the way, so that way I can get some other stuff done before the masterclass, because after the masterclass I'm done working for the day. Like, I'm not letting my work go past 9:30 tonight. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to reply to some YouTube comments under my latest video, which was, is 2020 too late to start a YouTube channel? What do y'all think? Do y'all think it's too late? Or do y'all think it's still time to get this thing crack-a-lacking? Let's see here. I like to read some of the comments on the channel. I'm gonna start doing this more often, so that way I can kind of give people shout outs. Someone named R-I Fit, she says, I'm still nervous to start, LOL. Girl, press through those nerves and get started. I have a few videos on how to be more comfortable on camera. Danielle Carey says, never too late to start. I started around 2 weeks ago. I'm excited to grow and create more content. That's so amazing. Danielle, still working on finding my niche. Right now I'm just uploading content I enjoy creating. Thanks for the tips, sis. That's really a good way to start. If you don't like it, you ain't gonna do it consistently. And I find that that's a big reason why a lot of people are inconsistent on YouTube. Not just because they don't like the content they're uploading, but they just don't like the process of editing and recording, and you know, they don't like the process of YouTube. So if you don't, then it's gonna be very hard to be consistent, which is gonna make it very hard to grow. So it's just the nature of the beast. Tamaria Copeland, she says, your channel is so refreshing. I just started watching your videos 2 days ago, and it was definitely sub at first sight. That is so cute. I've never heard anybody say that. I can't wait until Friday to binge watch all of your videos, and yes, I know for a fact you will reach and surpass 50K. You're so warm and inviting. Oh, thank you so much, Tamaria Copeland. I hope I'm saying your name right. You guys, my goal is to hit 50K subscribers this year. I am currently at, what am I at? I think I just hit 24,000. I think I just hit 24,000 at the time of like me recording this video. So if you are, you know, trying to subscribe to your girl, you know, if you want to help me hit that goal, I would love that. It's on my vision board, which is right here. 50,638 subscribers. That was just literally a thing that I found on YouTube. I mean on Google. But if I literally hit 50,638 subscribers, that would actually be nuts. So we'll see. I mean, I'm not a super like number subscriber, you know, fiend. But if I do hit it, that would be really, really cool. So thank you, girl. This video has so many comments. I'm so behind on comments, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do this, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done with comments, because I gotta crank these babies out. and my booty starting to hurt from sitting here for so long. I was trying to watch this Kev on Stage video, but I'm gonna watch it after I finish working for the day because, yeah. That's my reward. Anyways, I am prepping for the masterclass that is in about 20 minutes. It's 8:09 right now. I finished editing the vlog that's gonna go up tomorrow, so I'm so glad I got that done. I recorded the YouTube video, so I'm glad I got that done. And so now I'm just snagging some questions that members of the eBrand Club have for LaKanya, who is the brand attorney who's doing the masterclass tonight. So we have like a question and answer part of the masterclass, so I'm just gathering all the questions that we've gotten thus far. I'm sure people will ask live questions during the class. So, and then I'm getting my questions for her together so that I have some good questions to ask her. And yeah, I'm excited. So I will let you guys hear a little snippet of what we talk about in the masterclass on protecting your brand and business. Okay, I use this microphone, the Blue Yeti, whenever I do, like when I'm a guest on someone's podcast. I love it. For whenever I do master classes or lives, well, not like YouTube lives or Facebook lives, but anytime that I'm recording a session, I use this Blue Yeti because it just makes the audio sound so much better than using a computer, especially for people who have to like watch the replay. It just creates a nice crisp audio. Also, I use my ring light because it's sometimes hard to see. Well, it gets kind of dark in here at night, and my lives are always in the evening because that's when most people are available, like off work and all that stuff. So I'm just setting up shop because I want to be ready. I want to be ready. Ugh, let me get my ring light. Okay, let's turn this bad boy on. This always helps. Add some more light in here because I do use my iMac instead of all right, there we go. Nice and well lit, although this side of my face is warm light and this side is cold light, but it's okay, it's light. I'm gonna clear off my desk so I can just really get focused. Should I put these back on? I can, you know. Why not? They're kind of loud though. Nah, it's okay. Okay, so the masterclass had to be rescheduled because it is storming very badly in Michigan and my internet was flickering, and then LaKanya was having a couple technical difficulties on her end. So now we're gonna do the masterclass on Thursday. So that's today. You know, things happen. On the bright side, I did get all of my editing done for tomorrow's video, so I'm just so happy about that. So let's see what we finished actually. So we went to the meeting. We didn't have the masterclass, but that was not our fault. I finished editing and I did record my YouTube video. So today was a day well spent. It was super productive and I'm just so glad that y'all came along with me today. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. The question for today's comments, what should I ask? Maybe there's no question. Just for kicks and giggles, put your Instagram handle in the comments. I kind of want to just check out your Instagrams, and I will put mine right here too, so you guys can feel free to follow me on Instagram, because I do more in real time stories, and I do have pretty good Instagram posts to, you know, kind of encourage you and get you through the week. So if you're interested in following me on Instagram, do that. Put your Instagram handle in the comments so I could check out your Instagram too. And on that note, if you want to be a part of my internet home, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. You can turn on the notification bells if you want to know when your girl has uploaded some new hot fire content, okay? And on that note, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a productive day, night, or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.